How to change Apple ID without losing data. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can change Apple ID without losing its data. Now, the process is simple. What you can do is you can simply log out of your current account and log in into a new one. Now, what you'll have to keep in mind is that things like apps, your Apple Music subscription and your iCloud storage plan won't transfer over. That's why you should only log out of your Apple ID and into a new one if you have backed up your iCloud data or canceled your subscriptions. If you just want to change it, what you can do is you can simply head over to settings, and there under settings you can see the very first your profile. There you want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is here now you can see the option here that says iCloud, right? If you tap on it here, you'll be able to see all the options, and you can see iCloud backup is on. You want to make sure that it is on. And you can see manage account storage. You can tap on it and you'll be able to see the storage, and you can see which apps backup is on as well. Now once it is on, what you can do is you can simply scroll down below, tap on sign out, and then sign out of the particular Apple ID, and then sign in to another Apple ID. Before doing so, if you don't want to lose your data, you want to go ahead and make sure that the backup is on and that you have backed up your data. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.